Zalora's secret fashion success, data-driven insights. Ever wondered how Zalora stays ahead of the game? Today we are diving into the secret sauce, data-driven insights.
Zalora is an online fashion retailer offering clothes, footwear, and beauty accessories. It operates on the principle of data first, then fashion, making it Asia's leading online fashion, beauty, and lifestyle destination. This success is achieved by leveraging data. How does Zalora obtain its data? Zalora collects their data from various touchpoints. For example, Zalora can see their sales data in their own website or apps and can also see their customers' reviews. In this case, the website and application will be Zalora's touchpoints. After gathering this data, it is stored in a data warehouse called Google Cloud's BigQuery. This centralized storage allows Zalora to efficiently analyze large volumes of data and derive actionable insights, ultimately improving decision-making and enhancing the overall customer experience.
After data is being stored, these data are then extracted out using a process called Application Programming Interface (API) integration so that this data can be analyzed. API integration refers to a process where one or more softwares are being connected to an API so that the data that was stored in that software can be shared with the API and then analyzed there. This enables real-time updates and synchronization. Using this case as an example, data from Zalora's social media apps or website is being extracted out and then shared to their API, where it is then being analyzed. Although Zalora's API cannot be publicly disclosed, Zalora also uses other advanced analytical tools such as Mixpanel, where it helps business to track their customers' interaction, such as button clicks, page views, and also purchases.
Moving on to data analysis, we previously mentioned some advanced data analytics tools that Zalora uses, such as Mixpanel and Google Analytics. Besides those tools, Zalora also uses Tableau. Tableau is another advanced data analytics tool where it creates visual data such as bar or pie charts by creating custom dashboards. This provides insights into sales performance, customer segmentation, and marketing campaign effectiveness, where it can help its users to make informed decisions. Zalora's use of tools like Tableau helps segment customers based on their behavior and preference, aiding in targeting new customer groups. Google Analytics plays an important role as it helps Zalora to do different types of data analysis. This includes descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis provides summarized historical data such as user demographics and behavior patterns, which includes the amount of clicks and page views. Predictive analysis provides the company with a forecast on future behaviors, such as predicting the likelihood of user conversations. This can be useful when it comes to making data-driven decisions. Prescriptive analysis provides suggestions on actions to be taken based on the data patterns and its insights.
How does this analyzed data turn it into insights that are helpful in marketing the product or improving the business performance? With this data, Zalora can identify trends by further data analysis, such as checking the drop-off rate. Drop-off rate is the percentage of users who abandon a process or journey at a specific point before completing it. In this case, it is when a user visits Zalora's website or application, then adds a product into their shopping cart, but eventually decides not to proceed with the purchase. It can also be the case where the user views a product without adding it into their cart. Zalora can view this by individual visitors and at an aggregate level. After identifying the drop-off rates of different products, Zalora then finds out ways to improve their marketing for products with high drop-off rates. This can be done either by readjusting the image size or improving the quality of the image so that it is good enough to spur a purchase.
The effective utilization of data has led to substantial growth for Zalora, reflected in increased page views, heightened customer engagement, and improved sales figures. Notably, the company's data platform Trender reported an impressive 100% revenue growth between 2020 and 2021, illustrating the profound impact of data on business success. Furthermore, the Southeast Asia Trend Report 2022 reveals growth across various channels, with mobile app traffic increasing by 4%, mobile web by 5%, and desktop web by 12%. The report also highlights a 71.3% increase in search interest for travel-related items, showcasing shifting consumer trends. Additionally, it underscores that e-commerce adoption is high among urban and suburban consumers, indicating a significant segment of the population actively utilizing online platforms for shopping. While Zalora's data-driven strategies has solidified its competitive position in the market, the company must navigate challenges such as increased competition and evolving consumers' preferences. By continuing to prioritize analytics and innovation, Zalora is well equipped to adapt to the dynamic e-commerce landscape and sustain its leadership in the online fashion retail sector.